Good morning everyone. So we are going to see a program to count the lowercase, uppercase characters, digits and other symbols. So we are going to include the header file stdio.h because we are going to make use of the printf and scanf functions, which are the input and output statements. And also we are going to include the ctype.h header file for using the character manipulation functions, like I'll be making use of is lower, is upper, is digit functions, which are available in the ctype.h header file. So in the main function, I have declared a character array str of size 20 and integer I, length, and counter variables for storing the lowercase letters L, uppercase letter U, and digits count 0, D, which is initialized to 0, and S, which is the variable for storing the other symbol, and all these are initialized to 0. Now I am going to read a string until I encounter a new line by making use of scanf %n into a str. Now using the next two statements, that is while I equal to 0 and while str of I++ not equal to \0, that is a null character, I am going to find the length of the string and I am storing that length which is there in I-1 into the variable length. Now I am going to print the length of the string by making use of printf length of the string is equal to %d length. Now for checking how many lowercase letters, how many uppercase letters, how many digits and how many other symbols, I will be making use of a while loop here. While str of I not equal to null character, I am going to first check whether the character at I position is a lowercase letter by making use of is lower. If this is lower function returns a non-zero value, it means it's a lowercase letter. At that point, I will be incrementing the L value. Otherwise, I am going to check whether the character is a uppercase by using is upper. So if is upper returns the non-zero value, then I am going to increment the U count. Otherwise, I am going to check whether it is a digit by using is digit str of I. If it is non-zero, then I am going to increment a digit count, which is D by D++. Otherwise, it will be a special character. So, I am going to increment S by using S++ statement. So, once I have compared one character, then the character will be either of one of these cases. After I check with first character, I have to move to the next character. So, my I index I am going to increment by making use of I++. So, this will be repeated until it compares all the characters present in the str. So, once I have compared with all the characters, I am going to print each of those count by printf lowercase letters, %d, uppercase letters %d, and digits %d, and other symbols %d, and the variables which store these corresponding counts, which are L, U, D, and S. And I am going to terminate the main function by return 0. Now let us see some output by running the code. Suppose I enter the input good luck students 1, 2, 3. Now we can see that the length of the string is equal to 22, lowercase letters is 14, uppercase letters is equal to 2, digits is equal to 3, and other symbols is equal to 3. So you can see that the 14 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 22. Thank you.